Hello, beautiful people. Beautiful, magnificent souls. We're in the middle of another snowstorm. Yay. Whatever. Um, so the energies are coming in fast and furious, making it a little difficult to move through, which in turn has people behaving badly around you. I know I'm right, because they're behaving badly around me too. So what I sat with and thought about was, what is this teaching about me? Hey, I know their behavior is their problem and it's their responsibility. Now, what is this teaching me about me? Well, it's teaching me that maybe 3 months ago I would have reacted completely differently. And you may notice this about yourself too. There might be a slight difference. And any difference is an extreme progress in your life. So even if you are feeling like you may be failing and why is this happening? Why does this type of behavior continue to be attracted to you? Well, your light is growing. You're shining your light brighter. Again, their behavior is on them. So, my magnificent, extremely brilliant, beautiful souls, celebrate that even the slightest difference in your reaction is a large leap for your growth, for your peace, for your inner strength and your fortitude, bringing you straight into that amazing light of yours that will bring peace to you and help guide others to their own peace. I love you guys. And I thank you so much for your healing journey. Oh, Masanis.